All right, guys, so you should have 18.1 now, and we are now going to write the sound together. So I know when we're in class, we'll want to write our name first. All right. So the TH are together to make the sound. So we have to write them together, just like in this one. All right, they have left a little bit of space so that it's not all smushed together. We're going to go down the tower, lift and cross. From head to toe and over his back. Down the tower, lift and cross. Head to toe and over his back. All right, so we are going to try to do our very best handwriting. This one looks a little funky over here. All right, and you're also going to do this row too. Fill up the whole row as best as you can without smushing it all together. All right, if I had to choose, I think this one looks pretty good. And those are traced ones, so I don't really think those count. This one's not too bad. All right, and then guess what? Once we get done with our regular letter handwriting, we start doing our digraphs here, but then we're going to start going above and beyond and writing words. So you can pause the video now and read these words together, or you can just follow along with me. So this one, in, thin, and this is also a sight word, in, thin. And so we're going to write thin. You can probably get about 3 or 4 of these words without it looking all clumpy together, because you don't want them to be right next to each other. There does need to be a space because they are separate. Okay, thin. All right, the next one is bath, bath, bath. I'm going to write bath. Down the back and right along the ball. The A, around the upper and down the leaf. Down the tower, lift and cross. Head to toe and over back. You might be able to squeeze another one on there. So I know from years past, whenever we're doing this in the class, friends start to get, I don't want to say lazy, I just want to, like, you want to get it done. You want to get it done, and so you're speeding through it, and your handwriting's just, it might just get a little bit sloppy and all over the place. So we need to make sure that we're still focusing and we're starting at the top, going to the bottom, or starting at the middle, and not like dragging all the way down and going past lines that don't need to be going past. All right. That. And this is also a sight word, at. All right, and then the last one, this. This is a sight word, but it says this, not this. But that's where the S and the Z, remember when we called them sister sounds, because sometimes the S makes the sound of the S or the Z, like is. It's really an S, sister sound. See, like this one, I got kind of sloppy. And then try not to do that. That. All right, so that is 18.1, and this is one that you will turn in. Thank you, guys.